Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. Local news for Monday the 23rd of September. The Masterton District Council is starting a conversation with residents about traffic speeds in and around Masterton. It's the first stage of a review of speed limits. A paper to the council meeting this Wednesday will mark the start of the 6-month process to review speeds on a range of roads. A busy August in real estate for Wairarapa. Masterton in particular with 76 properties sold. Karatin and South Wairarapa had 18 sales, while rural and lifestyle sales have been very quiet. Another Kiwi chick has been born at Pukaha Mount Bruce last week. It's the first offspring of Mapuna and Manawa, and it is mostly brown but has a unique patch of white feathers on its head. And Crusty Demons have announced they're coming to Masterton. The Daredevil Freestyle Motocross show will take place at the Solway Showgrounds. A coup for the region, as the other two shows are in Auckland and Christchurch. Masterton show will be on Friday the 24th of April at the Solway Showgrounds. And for ticket details, you can have a look at the MoreFM Wairarapa Facebook page. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush have gone down 29-23 to Thames Valley the weekend. A good comeback after being down 17-7 at half-time. Both Flutie brothers scored tries. Tim Priest also adding 11 points in the boots, while the rest come from Tiffany Hira. For Wairarapa Local News, I'm Brent Gare.